Hello student. We discuss here about SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis was developed in 1960s at Stanford Research Institute. SWOT analysis is a strategic management technique to understand the internal and external environment of an organization in terms of its strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Here, S for strength, W for weakness, O for opportunity, and T for threat. To understand SWOT analysis, answer the four major questions. How to maximize the internal strength of the organization? How to minimize the internal weakness of the organization? How to capitalize on opportunity present in the external environment of the organization? And last, how to protect the organization from threat in the external environment. Based upon the result of the above analysis, in SWOT matrix is prepared, which consists of strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat present in the organization internal and external environment. Now we discuss its individual. First, strength. Strength are the quality that enable us to accomplish the organization mission. These are the basis on which continued success can be made and continued. Strength can be either tangible or intangible. These are what you are well versed in or what you have expertise in. The threat and quality your employee process. And the distinct feature the given gives your organization its consistent. Strengths are the beneficial aspect of the organization or the capability of an organization, which include process capability, financial resources, product and service, customer goodwill, and brand loyalty. Example of the organizational strength are hub financial resources, brand product line, no debt, and committed employees. Next is weakness. Weakness are the quality that prevent us from accomplish our mission and achieving our full potential. This weakness deteriorate influence on the organizational success and growth. Weakness are the factors which do not meet the standard we feel that they should meet. Weakness in an organization may be depressing machinery, insufficient research development facilities, narrow product range, and poor decision making, etc. But weaknesses are controllable. They must be minimized and eliminated. For instance, to overcome obsolete machinery, new machinery can be purchased. Other examples of organization business are hug debt, high employee turnover, complex decision making process, narrow product range, large wastage of raw material, etc. Next, third is opportunity. Opportunity as presented by the environment within which our organization operates. This arises when an organization can take benefit of condition in its environment to plan and execute a strategy that enable it to become more profitable. Organization can gain competitive advantage by making use of opportunity. Organization should be careful and recognize the opportunity and grabs them whenever they arise. Selected and target that will best serve and client will getting result in difficult task. Desired result in is difficult task. Opportunity may arise for market competition, industries, government and technology. Increased demand of telecommunication accompanied by deregulation is a great opportunity for new firms to enter telecom sector and compete with existing firm for revenue. Next and last fourth is threat. Threat compound the vulnerable with their related to the weakness. Threats are uncontrollable. When a threat comes, the stability and survival can be at stake. Example of threat are unrest among employees, ever-changing technology, increased competition leading to excess capacity, price wars, and reducing industry profit. So, as in brief, SWOT analysis is an important tool for auditing the overall strategic position for a business and its environment. The basic object of SWOT analysis is to provide a framework to reflecting a firm's ability to overcome barriers, means that threat, and avails opportunity emerging in the environment. Now we discuss its advantage of SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is instrument is strategy formulation and selection. It is a strong tool, but it involves a great subjective element. It is best when used as a guide and not as a prescription. Successful business build on their strength, collect their weakness, and protect against internal weakness and external threat. They also keep a watch on their overall business environment and recognize and exploit new opportunity faster than its competitors. It is a source of information of strategic planning. It's build organization strength. It deserves its weakness. Maximize its response to opportunity. It's overcome organizational threat. It help in identify core competence of the firm. It help in setting of object for strategic planning. It help is know past, present and future, so that by using past and current data, future plans can be checked out. SWOT analysis provide information that help in synchronize the firm resources and capability with the competitive environment in which the firm operate. Now we discuss limitation of SWOT analysis. Categorize aspect as strength, weakness, opportunity and threat might be very subjective as there is a great degree of uncertainty in market. SWOT analysis does stress upon the significance of these four aspects, but it does not tell us how an organization can identify this aspect of itself. There are certain limitations of SWOT analysis which are not in control of management. This include price increase, input raw material, government legislation, economy environment, etc. Internal limitation may include influence research and development facilities, faculty product due to poor quality control, poor industry relation, and lack of skilled and efficient labor. In present, many companies do the same analysis is one of Google. We all know very well about Google. Let me focus on its short analysis. First, strength. It is globally recognized. It is the top research engine in the world. Its excellent mailing service like the Gmail, service in 34 languages. It diversified product range. But these are some weaknesses to this as well. Weak social media presence, lack variety of revenue sources, credibility of information, and lack of promotion activities. These are also some threat in the very of this challenge. Weak social media presence, Now we focus its opportunity in the world. Third point, opportunity. Developed countries, cell phones and laptop markets, high speed internet and innovation like the global robotics and increase in online advertising. There is also some threat, competition market from other search engines like Bing, Yandex, etc. Competition for hub technology giants like Microsoft and Apple. Violation of law on YouTube. Failing product like Picasa, Google Plus and project like Google Glass also. Not only for the large scale company, it's also important for small business.